Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today are about how to save email messages file and converting Outlook message to PDF. Saving important emails as files on your computer helps to streamline your inbox but allows you to access crucial messages even quicker. By default, if cache exchange mode is enabled, you will only be able to view messages from the last 12 months. So if you have messages that you receive and want them to stay longer than 12 months, you can sure to save it as file on your computer. Let me show you how. First, create a new folder and name it. Let's say Outlook Messages. This will be the folder where you will save all your saved messages. Then open Outlook and select the email you want to save. Click File and select Save As. In the Save As dialog box, in the folder pane, choose a folder and then the location in that selected folder where you want to save the file. Go back to your desktop and open the folder. The message is now saved. Other option to save a message is to simply drag the message directly to the folder just like this. Most people convert their emails to PDF to stay organized. Outlook doesn't include PDF as one of the default save as types. If you need to convert an email into PDF, you can definitely do it. Let's create a new folder again for the PDF messages. Open Outlook and select the email you want to make as PDF. Click File and select Print. From the Printer drop-down, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Choose Print. In the Save Print Output as box, choose a folder for your PDF and enter a file name. Then choose Save. Check the folder and view your PDF. Alright, those tips and tricks are very easy. Surely it can help you to be more organized and be more productive. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.